Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add green screen overlay to your videos in the CapCut PC. So in here, I have a main video that I want to add on top of it, the green screen tutorial, which is the subscribe button. So if you want to do the same, just follow what I did in this tutorial. So first you can just add the green screen overlay to track. Click on the plus icon in here and then drag the green screen video on top of your main video, so it will become overlay like this. And after that you can just fit the size. And to remove the green screen background in here, you need to use the Chroma key feature on the CapCut PC. So go to Cutout and then click on this box right here to turn on the Chroma key feature, and then click on the color picker and drag it to the green screen. Click on it like this and adjust the strength and also the shadow of the chroma key to remove the green screen entirely from the clip, like so. And when you're done, you can just click on anywhere, and I'm going to, for example, place the overlay in here, and just like that you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, also smash that button down there and click on it, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.